How to use hotkeys to start and stop recording in OBS Studio. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, did you know that you can make your recording easier by using the hotkeys to start and stop recording in OBS Studio? You're in the right place. I'll show you how to do it in just few simple steps. So let's dive right in. Open up your OBS Studio and then go to settings in the right hand side. On the left, you'll be able to see hotkeys. Tap on it and you can set any key that you want to start and stop recording. For start streaming, you can tap for start recording, you can tap on it and then you can put in any key. For example, I'll put F9. Uh, so, or you can just put the number 9. And similarly, if to stop recording, you can put 7 and then hit apply. And then for start streaming, you can put in 0. For stop streaming, you can put in 6. It's your choice. And then hit OK. Now, every time you press 9, it will start recording. Now, if you put 7, you can see it will stop recording. So, it's as simple as that. So, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.